As soon as it hit that note on the song, it popped the windshield.
I made the bridge to generator. Next time I got to put a generator.
Wow, 4 alternators on here.
400s.
All the juice. Did it?
16.1.
Okay.
They're
Wow.
regulated to 16.
Yeah. How much lithium back there?
135.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
For the sake of your info, they're V1s with stock motor, stock basket,
Okay.
all the soft parts.
No, these are resilient platinums?
They're platinum V1, but all the soft parts
Mm-hmm.
are all mine.
Okay.
It's a poly spider epoxy cone. It's got 40 millimeters of X-Max versus the 30 that stock is extended forum.
Mm-hmm.
Steel voice coil.
So it handles more power capability for sure.
Allegedly, these from the stock are 2K, and I put 11 plus on each sub.
Holy crap. Okay. Whoa.
As far as you understand voltage,
Yes.
so 159 volts out of each amp.
Really?
Yeah.
And that's clean? That's great.
100%.
Yeah. And they're all gain matched around that. Yeah.
I have to gain match them before I fire it up. I gotta run through them all.
Do they crawl a little bit or
There's sets of them. I mean,
yeah.
there's a tremendous amount of vibration, even 5 layers thick. So to give you some sort of idea, when I first put this together, I broke the enclosure in half.
While it was flexing?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
My baffle's 6 layers thick. There's 4x4 and angle iron under each sub. I could park a semi on top of this.
Wow. But it ain't coming out, so it's pretty much going to be permanent. It wouldn't be able to, like if you were to do any kind of cabin adjustments, it would be like extreme.
I bought TV6s, and I would have to completely disassemble it to put it in here, and it's not worth it to me.
Yeah.
So I decided that I was going to build another vehicle. About 8 of them.
Really?
I
Wow.
have a Tahoe, a Yukon.
Okay.
I'm building a van.
Damn.
But yeah, that floor over there, you can.
Is it stock cabin? Oh, you're gonna have to do some kind of steel work down there.
I'm gonna take this body off of the frame and put a different body on it.
Really? Okay. Oh, that's a lot of work too.
I have plenty of them.
Yeah. Wow.
It's kind of what I do.
Nice. Any windshield issues with this amount of pressure and power?
I think I'm on like number 8.
Seriously? Man.
I try to only play 24 to 27.
Keep the low frequencies, yeah.
Well, that's a result of 24 and 27.
Yeah. Just the low flex on the floor. Yeah. That's crazy.
It'll play 17 to 54, 55.
But when you turn that higher note up, windshield shatters probably.
Yeah, I play at 38 hertz. Just a quick. As soon as it hit that note on the song, it popped the windshield each time. So I just don't mess with it.
No, don't mess with it. Yeah. Dang. I'll get a demo in a little bit, man. Thanks for chatting. I'm gonna go look at the back real quick, and I'll get a demo soon.
You're good.
forward to hearing it. So it did pretty good in the show the last 2 days? Does it have LEDs? Is it purple, blue, white? Blue. This is insane. Man, yeah, your floorboard, you're gonna have to do something down there.
Yeah, stock cabinet's done.
Yeah. Your name again?
Raven.
Raven. All right, Raven.
Team Stetson.
Team Stetson, all right. That was 24.
Yep.
I don't think that.
4 and 47.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, the floor doesn't like that frequency.
I can play higher.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. My feet are bouncing too. That's crazy. I'm sure not turning up all the way, but that's insane though, man.
That's tapped off.
Yeah.